Hi everyone, good morning and greetings of the day. In the previous class, we discussed about the best ways and strategies to do reading comprehension exercises. Reading comprehension is the understanding and interpretation of what you read. In school exams and all competitive exams, reading comprehension exercises are very common these days. In the previous lesson, we learned some important tips and strategies for reading comprehension exercises. These tips will help you doing reading comprehension exercises correctly and in time. So, the first thing is when it comes to reading in an exam is time management. That is, you should know how many reading passages there are, how many exercises there are, and how much time you have. In class 10 exam, you have 2 reading passages and you have about 50 minutes time for reading comprehension exercise. Out of these 2 passages, one passage might be shorter and easier, and the other might be longer and more difficult. In that case, you should plan to spend more time on the longer passage and less time on the shorter one. That is, you should time yourself. This is the first thing. You will have to decide how long you will take to do a reading comprehension exercise. Today we are going to do a reading comprehension exercise. We already learned that there are 4 strategies of reading: skimming, scanning, intensive reading and extensive reading. In order to do this reading comprehension exercise, let's apply the best strategy of reading here. So whenever it comes to a reading comprehension exercise, the first thing you have to do is you have to get a general idea of the passage at hand. Since we have no heading or subheading here, so let's skim the passage by reading the first sentence of each paragraph. The first sentence of paragraph 1 has been highlighted here. So the first sentence goes this way: when another old cave is discovered in the south of France, it is not usually news. This sentence tells us that the passage is about the discovery of some cave. A new cave is discovered where? In the south of France. It is not news. Why is it not news? Because many such caves have been discovered in France, in the south of France. So the passage, what we are going to read in the passage is about the discovery of a new cave and what was in the cave, or what were the wonders in the cave. That is what we are going to discuss. Now let's read the first sentence of the next paragraph. Painted directly on its walls were hundreds of scenes showing how people lived thousands of years ago. That is, the first sentence of paragraph 2 tells that on the walls of the caves there were paintings. These paintings tell us about the lives of people thousands of years ago. Thousands of years ago means prehistoric times. That is before the beginning of history. So what does it tell us about thousands of years ago? About the lives of people, how people lived. Now, what is important in this exercise is that before you read the passage in detail, if you start reading the passage in detail from the beginning to end slowly, by the time you reach the end, you will forget most of the points you read in the middle. So the best thing is to read the questions first. So now let's go to the questions. There are 8 questions. So let's read the questions. So first question is, which title summarizes the main idea of the passage? We already discussed about the main idea of the passage by skimming the passage. We read the first sentence of paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. So paragraph 1 tells us that it is about the discovery of a cave. Paragraph 2 tells us that on the walls of the caves there were paintings, and these paintings tell us about the life of people thousands of years ago. Now let us read the options. Wild animals in art, hidden prehistoric paintings. Wild animals in art, that is not the answer. Again, exploring caves respectfully. We were not exploring caves. It is not about exploring caves. Determining the age of French caves. It is also not about determining the age of French caves. Then the only correct option is hidden prehistoric paintings. So the passage discusses about hidden prehistoric paintings. So that we know that that is the correct answer. So did we read the whole passage? No, we did not read the whole passage. Just by skimming the passage, we got the answer to this question. Now, let's read the next question. The words pays heed to are closest in meaning to. What is the question asking? You will have to find the meaning of a phrase in the passage. The phrase is pays heed to. If you don't know the meaning, you have to guess the meaning from the surrounding words. For that, you will have to find where in the passage the phrase is. Then read the surrounding sentences, you will get the answer. So 4 options have been given here: discovers, watches, notices, buys. You will have to choose the best option by guessing the meaning from the context. Now question 3 asks you, according to the passage, which animals appear most often in the on the cave walls? So the key word in the passage is which animals. You will have to name an animal. So options have been given here: birds, bison, wild cats, horses. So read the passage again, not the whole passage. You will look for the names of these animals. You will check birds mentioned in the passage or not. Bison, the name has been mentioned in the passage or not. Wild cats, horses, underline all these words. Then you will read to check which animal's name has been appeared more often on the cave walls. Does the passage tell that? You will get the answer. Now question number 4. Based on the passage, what is probably true about the south of France? So the key word is, you will have to state a fact, the south of France. So which sentence in the passage tells you about the south of France? You only have to read that part. You will get the answer. It is home to rare animals. It has a large number of caves. It is known for horse racing events. It has attracted many famous artists. I know that you already know the answer because from the key sentence, we skimmed the passage, we got the answer this question. You can very easily answer the question. Now question number 5. The word depict is closest in meaning to. Again, the question is asking you to give a meaning. Meaning of the word depict. You will find the meaning, as I said earlier, from the surrounding words, from the context. Show, hunt, count, draw. Now question 6. Why is painting inside the Lascaux complex a difficult task? So what is the question asking? The question is asking you to give a reason. Why? The key word is why. So you have to mention a reason. You will have to, Lascaux complex is the key word. So you will have to read about Lascaux complex in the passage. It was completely dark inside. The caves were full of wild animals. Painting materials were hard to find. Many painting spaces were difficult to reach. The word is reach, okay? That you cancel that final U. Many painting spaces were difficult to reach. So read the passage, you will get the answer. Next question. According to the passage, all of the following have caused damage to the paintings except. So 4 answers are correct, 1 is wrong. You have to find the wrong answer. That is, which of the following reasons did not cause damage to the painting? That is the question asking. Temperature changes, air movement, water, light. Read the passage, you will get the answer. So the key words in the passage are the things that caused damage to the paintings, you will underline. Then one thing did not cause damage to the painting, you will have to write that is the correct answer. Now the last question. What does the passage say has happened at the Lascaux caves in 1963? The key word in the passage is 1963. It is an year. So what happened in 1963? So you will look for the key word 1963. You will get the answer from the surrounding or from the context. Visitors were prohibited from entering. B. A new lighting system was installed. C. Another part was discovered. D. A new entrance was created. So after reading the questions, then next you quickly read the passage. Very easily you can find the answers. This is how you should do the reading comprehension exercise. All of you, first read, as I said, first skim the text, then read the questions, underline the keywords, then go back to the passage, read the passage, then write the questions and answer the questions in your notebook. Send the answers in the group. This is how you have to do today's exercise. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Happy learning. Thank you.